आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so hello everyone. Now this question over here says that the spontaneity means having the potential to proceed without assistance of external agency. So it is saying that the processes which occur spontaneously are. So in the option we have to tell which of them are spontaneous. Okay, so let us begin with the question. Now in the question itself it has been given that spontaneous means those processes which can proceed without any assistance. So that means those processes which can occur themselves or by very little ignition are known as spontaneous process. So let us look at the first option. So A option is flow of heat from colder to warmer body. Because this is something that we know that will not be spontaneous. Why? Because we have studied that from hot body to cold body heat transfer takes place very easily, but from cold to hot it does not. Why? Because we have seen that if we keep a hot glass of water outside in the surroundings, then it will lose its heat in the surroundings and become cold. So from hot to cold, the transfer can be spontaneous, but from cold to hot, it is not spontaneous. So from here, we can see that this option will be wrong. The process will not occur spontaneously. Now let us look at the B option. So the B option is that gas in a container contracting in one corner. So we know that gas in a container occupies the entire space. Let me write. Gas occupies entire space of the container. For example, let's say I have this container and I put some gas in it, then the gas will spread evenly in the container. And if I have to contract it, then I will have to apply external pressure for contraction. So gas can expand freely, but it cannot be contracted. So from here we can write that this option will be wrong because gas cannot be contracted. It is not a spontaneous process. Now the C part is gas expanding to fill the available volume. So that is right. We just now discussed that gas will occupy the entire space of the volume, and hence this process will be spontaneous. So if we will put a gas in a container, then it will expand properly. So this option is correct. This is a spontaneous process. So C option is right. Now let us look at the D option. So D option is burning of carbon in oxygen to give carbon dioxide. This option is also correct. Why? Because these combustion processes, basically carbon plus oxygen is a combustion reaction, and for this reaction we just have to ignite it once. Once it is ignited, it will just keep on going on itself. So there is no particular assistance that we will have to provide it throughout the reaction. So simple ignite will initiate the reaction. So therefore D option is also correct. It is also a spontaneous process. So from here we can see that option C and option D are correct. So with this we complete our solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।